So I'm gonna show you exactly how it look complete. So he's gonna explain everything to us. Ok, s'il vous plaît, expliquez-nous ce qui passe là.
Ok. Ça, c'est un système solaire 1200 watts.
This is an inverter that's 1,200 watts.
Wally, c'est pour bailler l'école la courant pendant toute journée, pendant que l'élève vient à l'école là pour éclairer, pour bailler laboratoire informatique là, énergie pendant toute journée en net.
The role of this is to make sure that we have electricity all day.
Ça, c'est Robert Jolie. Wally, c'est pour voir sur EDH ou bien sur inverteur. En même temps, tu as gagné EDH qui pour recharger l'inverteur.
Okay, so this right here is basically the switch, and one of it is ADH, which is the private sector of electricity company in Haiti, and over here is completely solar. Okay, everybody, so the job is done. We have these 6 panels. So keep on side by courant, keep on connected pour by courant. Côté fil là. So we do this pass to give electricity. So what actually happened, this is connected with the regulator. Let's actually go all the way down here, you know, and it connect with...
canalisation, c'est là dans fil l'an passé pour fil l'an pas dégrader, pour fil l'an ka ba une durée de vie qui est raisonnable.
Today's a very, very special day, everyone. Yes, 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 yes. This right here is a game changer. Right now, we have the technicians coming to install the solar panel for the school. This is big, y'all, and I'm very, very thankful for my wonderful, wonderful people who donated this. This is powerful. Having lights change the dynamic of everything. So now the possibilities is limitless. So this is for the solar panels that's going on the roof. So now this is where the panels is going to get installed at. Yes, welcome to Brother Love in Haiti. Today's a very big day in Haiti's Future Academy. Today we are actually getting some solar panels installed. First, before I continue, I would like to thank you to the special people who donated this solar panel to the school. This is a big day in our history, y'all, because we all know what electricity do. And right now, we're not relying on the private sectors to give us electricity. When you live on Haiti, one of the most important things to do is have your own electricity source. And we are trying to reduce our carbon footprint. So we getting solar panels, and the sun is actually what's going to give us the electricity. So we're going to show you the step-by-step how it's installed and show you the finished product, y'all. This is a very big day, and once again, thank you so much to the group of people that donated to the school. Frère, pour combien de temps nous travaillons dans technicien? How long have you been working as a technician?
Combien de temps bien?
Oui.
Moi, j'ai 8 ans là.
He's about to have 8 years. Où même frère Pam? He's about to have 3 years. So, qu'est-ce que nous a dit de travail nous aimer? What can you tell me about your job that you love?
moi, mais les résultats, les clients félicitent que l'argent a un problème. Ça a été atteint dans les journées.
He said he loved when he found the results, when the clients are happy, they don't have no problems, and when what they was looking for, they found. Ok, mte tante yon bagay de pano. Ampe moun di, esko ka explique diferans nan piti pano sa yo, ou swa gros pano yo? Can you explain to me the difference between the small panels and the big ones?
Bon, différence qui gagne entre petit piscine grand et seulement dans dimension.
Just the dimension?
En termes de wattage, par exemple, si tu as deux panneaux qui tapent 400 watts, yo ka ba 4 panneaux 100 watts, tu toujours bon 400 watts là. Sauf que on peut pas même et puis dimension pas même.
It's just the dimension. So est-ce que yon prend courant pi bon ou soit yon parce que m'tende petit yo prend courant pi bon. Est-ce que ça vrai? Because I heard the little ones.
Si on gon courant yo ba qui on petit genre de plus, mais même performance on va jeune.
Okay, these little ones that we got they give a little something and that's a little stronger, but it's the same performance that you're gonna have. So, ki kalite panel sa yo ye? What kind of panels is they? Ça c'est monocristal?
Poly.
Hein?
Ça poly quoi.
This is Pauline. Okay. Ki différence que Pauline na monocristal là? What's the difference?
Plus soleil.
Oh. Wow, so this actually take more sun. Ok. Pa ki tem bloke travay nou ka travay, ok? Mna veni explique moun yo tap gade. So, no matter what's going on, even if it's cold, even if the sun's not coming out, this right here will still give you the power, more power than the other one. So, sa vle di ka pi bon ke monocristal? Advantage. We watching how panels get installed, y'all. And just to give y'all a quick update, each one of these panels is 100 watts. It's 100 watts, so we have 6. We have 600 watts. Plus an inverter that could take up to 1,200 watts.
Maintenance.
3 mois pour me faire maintenance dans ça yo?
Oui, maintenance.
Every 3 months I gotta do maintenance in this. Quelle qualité maintenance pour faire laver?
Et checker le système là, mettez de l'eau, acheter de l'eau pour mettre.
Acheter de l'eau pour mettre dans ça?
Yeah, l'eau
So
parce que depuis l'eau a fini la pour casser batterie.
Oh, so every 3 months I gotta buy water to put it. Kaku, battery instead or sa?
Acide.
Okay, I gotta buy acid because if the
Chaque fois,
if
moi,
the acid is finished, it will break the battery.
ou quand il est en contact avec pour nous faire travail.
And he's a good dude. I like his professionalism. He's good at it, and we're gonna stay in contact so he could take care of it.
Tout le monde fait.
Yeah. Le système, ça fait un système 1800 watts.
This
Qui
is
va aider l'école là en matière d'énergie pour élever par exemple dans fait noir et puis pour soutenir avec la boîte informatique qui a bien.
So this is, I'm translating, this is a system of 1,200 watts, and this will definitely help out the school. The kids won't be in dark, and this will definitely help out our STEM lab. I like this young man's professionalism, man. Technician, very skilled, wonderful. So, plug ça, qui ça va faire là? On va charger?
Yeah, je vais charger batterie qui charge. Je vais charger tout ça.
Okay, so he's basically using it to charge his power drill because it discharged. So déjà gen courant sous lui?
Oui.
This already came with electricity, y'all.
Vous mettez pour faire préparation pour génératrice, non?
Oui, ou ka tout faire préparation pour génératrice là. So one of the things that we also want to do, we're going to make sure that we set up the generator too as a backup electricity source. But this will be our main electricity source. One technician is working upstairs, the other is working downstairs. Let's take a look at what's going on the roof right now. This is actually where the wire is going to pass at. Putting everything into place. This is the process of installing solar panels in your home. Please press that like button, y'all. We got this, we could do this. This is a big win for the kids. This is a big win for the school. Yeah, this is getting set up. This is gonna be the switch on and off. Let's see what this connects to. We have the professors here. Got this guy right here working. He's doing a wonderful job.
Après installer les générateurs sont bien.
Okay, y'all, the work is complete. Here we have it. We even have a space here so we could put another one right here for the generator. So I'm gonna show you exactly how it look complete. So he's gonna explain everything to us. Okay, s'il vous plaît, expliquez-nous ce qui passe là. And also, how you know if they gave the power is you will actually see this start to blink. Doop, 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 doop. That means you take it off solar and you put it on ADH.
Vous pouvez mettre laptop, ordinateur, éclairage pour élèves.
And this
Et puis,
right here,
si il y a un personnel dans la direction, besoin de charger téléphone, nous pouvons connecter un routeur internet. Nous pouvons connecter un routeur internet, et puis laptop, et puis éclairage pour élèves.
so the capacity this have, it cannot have the capacity to run an iron. It does not have the capacity to run a freezer or refrigerator. So right now, what it has right now is it only has the capacity to charge laptops, phones, and make sure all the kids have lights, and we could even run the projector on it. And that's what's the goal. That's the goal. So now, this is the breaker. Okay, so now we're gonna test it out right now to make sure all the electricity is working. Okay, so that's working. Great news, great news. Okay, so now we're gonna go into this room, which is basically the principal's office. Let's make sure this is very important. We look on here. Choo choo. Okay, now let's check this one out right here for the laboratory. Woo! Good job, good job, good job. And this right here is very important to have. Yeah! My office. Let's see if you. I got cooler in my office. That's right, DJ got cooler. Okay, this is a very important class to have power in. So let's take a look, y'all. Let's take a look. Choo choo! These brothers did a wonderful job. Wonderful, wonderful job. Yes, 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 yes. Okay, everybody, we're on the roof and we're looking at the solar panels, and I'm gonna show y'all what's actually happening right now. We cementing it down. Not only is it bolted down, but we also cementing it for a second layer of protection. We want to make sure we keep this wonderful investment, which is going to have great impact on the school, protected as best as we can. Okay, everybody. So the job is done. We have these 6 panels. So ki bo sa bay kouran, ki bo l konekte pou l bay kouran. Kote fil la.
Régulateur, il connecté dans panneau, connecté dans régulateur.
So we do this pass to give electricity. So what actually happened, this is connected with the regulator. So, li pa connecte a fil sa?
Non.
Ki fil sa ye?
Ça, c'est le fil de
Kouran. Okay, so it's not connected with this. So it's actually go all the way down here, you know, and it connect
c'est
with...
canalisation, c'est là dans fil l'an passé pour fil l'an pas dégrader pour fil l'an ka ba une durée de vie qui est raisonnable.
Okay. So kounya, sim te bezwen people school, hein? Ki combien panneaux? If I need some more electricity and I wanted to add on to it with the inverter that I have, what I need?
4 panneaux qui même dimension.
Okay, so and with the inverter that we have, we can add on 4 more panels. We can add on 4 more panels. That's the same dimension as this. And à 4 panneaux yo, ça nous ajoute à.
Là, on ajouter 4 panneaux, nous ka mettons un régulateur qui plus gros et puis on va ajouter 2 batteries.
We must change our regulator. We must make our regulator bigger, and we could put on 2 more batteries. And so I say maximum.
Yes.
And that will be the maximum to maximize the inverter and the solar panels that we got. This is a wonderful, wonderful gift. And I'm so blessed and I'm so thankful. And the kids are going to be thankful. The professors is thankful. And I have to bring this to y'all. But this is a great start. I'm very thankful and very blessed. Look at this. Yeah. Haiti's future. Oh, yeah. Before I forget, I got a bone to pick. Frem. Ça qui passe ampoule moi avec ventilateur là. What happened to my light bulbs and my fan?
Yo beaucoup disponible. Toutefois, disponible compagnie après l'eau pour le cas faut venir prendre l'eau.
Okay, right now it's not available. I spoke to the company rep because I need my light bulbs and I need my fan because it's a gift that came with it. So I talked to them and they say they will have a new stock on Friday. So I'm gonna go get what belongs to us, right? You know we can't lose. Now let's take one look at this mountain again one more time. Look at Haiti, y'all. This could be a whole new Haiti. Just waiting for development, wait for planting, something, y'all. Have enough land that could feed the nation. Let's go.